this many amount. All you need to do is just work on your laptop for 10 to 15 minutes every single day, or you can even do this with your smartphone. The thing is that this works worldwide and you could make a ton of money online. This is something which is a really interesting strategy. A lot of people are doing this stuff and they are earning a full-time income with this strategy. You could be the one who could start working on this and making a ton of money every single week, and this is something that can be done without any skills, and everybody of you will be able to do it as soon as possible after watching this video. All you need to do is smash the like button if you want to know about this strategy in this details, as well as smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of very awesome videos which will really guide you to make a ton of money online worldwide, and that is something which every one of you will be able to do. So let's jump into the content as soon as possible to a computer screen, and this is a very simple formula. Okay, and the thing is that this formula is really something which works and millions of people are doing this stuff and making money online. Not everyone is participating in this, and that's the reason why very few percentage of people are making money with this strategy. So you can utilize this strategy and make money. Okay, now this can be done absolutely for free, or if you want to speed up the process, then you can also do this stuff with paid strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you both of the methods that you can utilize for this stuff. Okay, and the thing is that it is very simple and very easy, and most of the people of you will be able to do it. And since you just have to do with the paid strategy, then all of you can do it because it does not require any skills. But if you really want to do it for free, it will take some extra time and you just need to develop one simple skill, and definitely you could be making some very good income with this strategy. Okay, so now let's jump into the strategy step by step. Let's cover the step 1 of this strategy. The step 1 of this strategy is going to be, you just need to go to this website that is known as flippa.com. Now this is a website where people come to sell their websites. Yes, this is a website where people sell their websites. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of websites which people are selling over here. Now you can see that this website server hosting is selling for $1,500. Now you can see this Mad Monkey website is selling for $110. Okay, CodePie.io is selling for $1,500. What you can do is that you can bid on one of them and you can buy this websites over here. Don't worry, we are going to purchase, not going to purchase a website. You can also create a website of your own absolutely for free. But if you want to speed up the process and don't want to create a website of yourself, then you can just come over to this website and buy a website at ridiculously low prices which are available over here. So this website looks really good, and you can see you can just buy it for $110, and that is really cheap. Okay, now the second thing from where, or the second method from where you can obtain a website, okay, is going to be another platform. Now this is one way, or the first method with which you can buy a website or get a website for yourself. Okay, now let's go to the second method from where you can get this website. Okay, in the end of the video I'm going to show you what you are going to be doing with this website so that you can make more than $2,000 to $3,000 of profit doing very simple work. Okay, so now let's go. So you just have to obtain a website with 3 of the methods. Now this is the first method from which you can obtain a website. It takes a small upfront investment. Okay, now the second method to get a website is you could go to Fiverr, and you can see all these people are here and they will design websites for you. Okay, so you can hire one of the person from over here. Now you can see this is the template which has been used over here, and you can see someone is selling this same template over here, or this kind of website over here, and you can see they are making they are selling that website over here. So I think this person probably bought this website from over here from Fiverr. Okay, so you can also hire someone who will create a website for you over here on this platform Fiverr. Okay, now it costs different price. It starts from $100, as well as you can get a website for as low as $35, and that's really awesome. Okay, so you just need to get a website. Either you can buy that website from Flippa, or you can just hire someone to create a website for you on fiverr.com. Okay, now we are going to sell this website which we have bought or which we have hired someone to create for us on Fiverr. Or you can just create a website by yourself. You can go to YouTube and you can watch all these tutorials. Just search for how to design a website. There are thousands and thousands of tutorials which are available on YouTube. You can watch those tutorials. It may take some time and it will take a little bit of extra time, but you can learn the entire thing of how to create a website. Okay, so that are the three methods from which you can obtain a website for yourself. One is to create it yourself, second is to buy it, and the third is to hire someone to create a website for you. Okay, so the basic step one is you just need to obtain a website either by a paid strategy or by free strategy. Okay, so now you have got our website. Now we need to sell this website and we need to generate profit from this website. Now I'm gonna show you a premium platform where you can sell this website for a very premium price. Okay, you don't need to sell this websites on flippa.com, because the thing is that flippa.com is not at all considered a premium website and people come here to buy cheap websites. Okay, so don't just think of selling it on flippa.com, because the thing is that if you just create a website from Fiverr and sell it on this flippa.com, then you are gonna receive a very small profit. But let me introduce you with an awesome big premium website selling platform where you can charge a ton of extra money selling this very simple cheap websites. Okay, and a lot of people are not at all doing this stuff, so this is something which you can do absolutely and earn some good money. Okay, so now let me reveal you the website, and that is Empire Flippers. Yes, this is the website which is a very premium website selling platform, and the people who are having a ton of money only come to this website to buy this websites. Okay, so you can see the websites which are selling over here are ridiculously high priced. Okay, and if someone buys it, okay, so you just made someone create a website for you on Fiverr just for $100, and you can definitely sell that website over here for $1,000. Okay, even if it is the most ridiculously priced, you are still going to receive a $700 profit, and that is really insane, because you can see the websites which are sold over here are almost at $1,000. Okay, so just hire someone or buy $100 website and you can flip that website on this website for more than $1,000, and that's ridiculously insane, because you can easily create $1,000 of profit just by doing this very simple stuff. Okay, a lot of people are doing this, and the thing is that they are making this ridiculous amount of money. The only thing is that this is a premium website, and that's the reason why people are willing to pay more money on this website, and that is really insane and that is really awesome. Not everyone is doing this stuff, so this is a huge chance for you to make some good money online, because you can just go to Flippa, buy a good website which is not so expensive, within $100 to $200 range. Then you just need to come to over here and list that website for $1,000-$2,000, and you will be definitely able to do that stuff. Don't go over the price board. If you are having $100 website, you just list that website over here within $1,000, so that there is a huge chance that more people will come and buy as soon as possible. Because if you want to earn extra profit, you can just fix the price at the lower end, and you could be making a good amount of profit with it. Still, you are making very good, ridiculous amount of profit with this website, and that is something which is really insane. Not many people are doing this stuff, and it can be in any category. And you can see this website has done this many amount of sales, more than 20 million in sale in last 30 days, and that's the most insane thing, and that's the most awesome thing. And you could take a chunk of this big money every single month or every single week. You can just flip one or two websites, and you could be making easily $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 of profit every single month just by flipping website. Now this is the entire business model which works all over the world, and you can do it from anywhere, any country in the world, and earn this ridiculous amount of money and profit in a tap of a finger. And that's something which everyone of you must start doing. Okay, so this is something that you can absolutely do. Take action on the strategy and start earning some money, and this can be something which can be life changing for you, because some websites even sell for millions of dollars. And I absolutely hope that you earn $1 million as soon as possible. Smash the like button to get 100 years of good luck, and so that you can become a millionaire overnight. So I hope you like the video, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.